She was only 6 years old that night as she hid behind that shelf. 'Cause Daddy had a little too much to drink, and Mama didn't want her to feel the pain she felt, but she still felt the pain. Well, 10 years they came and went, and Dad was gone. So she looked for love in other men and tried to act strong. Oh, broken hearts and scars in only places she could see. 'Cause she just wanted to feel something. And as she sat there on her bed, thinking about what those girls said, tears streamed from her eyes. She cried, if there's a God out there, please hear my prayer. I'm lost and I'm scared, and I got nowhere else to go. I've come a long, long way, but I'm not sure I can make it much farther. So if you're listening, could you give a helping hand to your daughter? Well, her path started to change. She reached out and grabbed God's grace, and finally she saw light. Until the night where she decided one drink was alright, and one thing led to another. Well, next thing you know, 9 months go by, she's a mother. And as she lay there in the bed, stroking that small angel's head, tears streamed from her eyes. She cried, if there's a God out there, please hear my prayer. I'm lost and I'm scared, and I got nowhere else to run. I've come a long way, but I'm not sure I can be the best mother. So if you're listening, well, could you give a helping hand to your daughter? Well, that baby grew into a boy who became her pride and joy. He loved her life, no man could, and her heart felt peace, 'cause she finally understood God.